Hey, savvy viewers! Welcome back to our channel. I'm your wisdom guide, and today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about climbing mountains, but also about climbing the ladder of financial success. So, grab your virtual hiking boots, because we're about to explore the wisdom behind a Chinese idiom and how it can supercharge your money game in 2024. Picture this, it's 2024, and the world is still recovering from the pandemic's impact. But guess what? Opportunities are everywhere. The game has changed, my friends. The old paths might be blocked, but new trails have opened up. So, how do you seize the day? Well, let's start with our trusty idiom, Jiazu Xianding. Wait, what do you mean here by this Chinese idiom? If you want to know, please first join me to explore its ancient origins. During the waning years of the Qin dynasty, as different heroes and warriors rose to claim dominance over the realm, conflicts ensued. Among them was Han Xin, a prominent general serving under Liu Bang, who triumphed over Tian Guang, the Prince of Qi, and seized control of Linzi city, earning himself the title of the Prince of Qi. At that time, Han Xin held significant military might and influence, even surpassing Liu Bang. Han Xin's advisor, Kuai Tong, urged him to break away from Liu Bang's alliance, forge ties with Xiongnu to accumulate his strength, and then establish himself as a king in the future. However, Han Xin refused. When Liu Bang eventually secured dominance, he grew suspicious of Han Xin. Using this opportunity, Liu Bang demoted Han Xin to the Marquis of Huaiying County. Feeling cornered, Han Xin contemplated rebellion, but a treacherous informant tricked him into entering the palace, where he was executed. Before his demise, Han Xin lamented, "I regret not decisively following Kuai Tong's advice." Upon hearing this, Liu Bang ordered his men to arrest Kuai Tong, intending to execute him. When Kuai Tong was captured, Liu Bang inquired whether he had persuaded Han Xin to rebel. Kuai Tong honestly replied to Liu Bang, "During the fall of the Qin dynasty, all the heroes were contending for the realm. Only those with high abilities and quick actions could vie for supremacy. Every talented person aspired to be a king. Would you kill everyone who has talent? Moreover, at that time, Han Xin was my master, and I was only serving him to the best of my abilities. What fault is there in that?" Liu Bang found Kuai Tong's words reasonable and granted him clemency. The Chinese idiom, Jiazu Xianding, emerged from this story. It can be generally understood as act fast and seize the opportunity. The story emphasizes the importance of prompt action and seizing the moment, as it may result in attaining one's objectives before others do. To help you better understand this idiom, let's break it down. The character, Jia, means quick, swift, or fast. The character, Zhu, translates to foot or feet. The character, Xian, denotes earlier or first. The character, Ding, refers to ascend or climb. So the idiom, Jiazu Xianding, literally translates to swift feet climb first. The core meaning of this idiom is that those who act swiftly and decisively can seize opportunities ahead of others. It implies that being quick to take action can lead to being the first to achieve success or reach a goal. Well, it's all about being proactive and spotting opportunities before others do. But wait, there's more. Let's sprinkle some English seasoning on this wisdom. Ever heard of catch the early bird or strike while the iron is hot? Yeah, they are the same concepts. And in Western culture, it's like being the first in line for Black Friday deals. You know, snagging that flat-screen TV before the crowds arrive. Alright, let's apply the wisdom of this ancient idiom to our modern world and see how it could inspire us to make money more wisely in 2024. First, to our salaried workers. For the salaried workforce, the idiom emphasizes the significance of proactive career planning. In the new year, it's crucial to take the initiative in skill development, networking, and exploring growth opportunities within their current job or in potential career advancements. Early career planning, acquiring new skills aligned with market demands, and being agile to adapt to industry changes can help in securing better paying roles or promotions. Okay, let's be more specific, my friends. If you are the unsung heroes of the office, the 9-to-5 warriors who are balancing deadlines, meetings, and that ever-elusive work-life harmony, how can you catch that early bird while navigating the cubicle maze? Maybe invest in upskilling. Imagine you're sipping your morning coffee and scrolling through LinkedIn. Instead of just liking cat memes, explore online courses. Learn coding, data analysis, or project management. Upskilling isn't just a buzzword, it's your secret weapon. That Excel wizardry? Level up to Python or R. That PowerPoint prowess? Dive into UX design. Remember, knowledge compounds like interest, invest wisely. Or you may consider starting a side hustle smartly. Picture this, you finish your 9-to-5, but your brain's still buzzing. Instead of binge-watching reality show, start a side hustle. Maybe you're a spreadsheet guru by day, but by night, you're an Etsy shop owner selling custom Excel templates. Or perhaps you're a marketing whiz who moonlights as a freelance content creator. Remember, side hustles aren't just about extra cash, they're mini incubators for your skills. Second, to our entrepreneurs and startups. Entrepreneurs and startups are encouraged by this idiom to swiftly identify emerging market demands and be quick in launching innovative products or services. Being ahead of the competition involves proactive market research, staying updated with consumer needs, and efficiently adapting business models. Emphasizing innovation, efficient resource management, and a forward-thinking approach are key to success. Alright, if you are the entrepreneurial mavericks who refuse to color within the lines, how can you catch that early bird while navigating the entrepreneurial jungle? For example, you may embrace the pivot. Entrepreneurs thrive on adaptability. When the winds of change blow, adjust your sails. Maybe your e-commerce store isn't booming, but your social media consulting side hustle is gaining traction. Pivot. Be the early bird who spots the next trend before it's trending. Or you may network like a boss. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at conferences. It's about building genuine relationships. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Who knows? That coffee chat might lead to a game-changing collaboration. Be the early bird who catches the networking worm. Meanwhile, you may invest in your mindset. Your mind is your most valuable asset. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops. Cultivate a growth mindset. When challenges arise, see them as opportunities. Maybe your startup hit a roadblock, but that's just a plot twist in your success story. Be the early bird who feeds on knowledge. Third, to our investors and capitalists. For investors and capitalists, the Chinese phrase emphasizes the importance of timing and taking calculated risks. In the new year, being early in identifying promising investment opportunities is vital. However, it's equally essential to conduct thorough due diligence, diversify portfolios, and have a long-term investment strategy. The focus should be on understanding market trends, staying informed about global economic shifts, and identifying potential high-growth sectors or assets. Alright, if you are the investor trailblazers who don't settle for mediocrity, how can you catch that early bird while navigating the financial wilderness? Let's delve into the art of smart investing. Maybe you should know the risk tolerance. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. Some investors thrive on adrenaline, while others prefer a cozy dividend-paying stock. Assess your risk tolerance proactively. Are you a thrill seeker who dabbles in cryptocurrencies? Or a conservative soul who prefers blue-chip companies? Knowing your risk appetite guides your investment choices. Besides, always remember time in the market is more important than timing the market. Timing the market is like catching lightning in a bottle. It rarely works. Instead, focus on time in the market. Invest consistently, even during downturns. Compound interest is your secret weapon. Start early, stay disciplined, and let time do its magic. Fourth, to our freelancers and self-employed individuals. Freelancers and self-employed individuals are urged by this saying to seize opportunities by being proactive in marketing their skills or services. The key lies in being ahead in self-promotion, building a strong brand, and expanding their client base. In the new year, they should focus on developing new skills, adopting technological advancements, and seeking collaborations or partnerships to widen their scope and remain competitive. Alright, if you are the freelance nomads who've traded office cubicles for Wi-Fi hotspots, how can you catch that early bird while navigating the gig economy? Let's explore the art of freelancing. You may define your niche. Freelancing isn't a buffet, it's an a la carte menu. What's your specialty? Writing, design, coding, or social media management? Define your niche. When clients think killer copy or stunning logos, your name should pop up. So try to catch the early bird by owning your own niche. You may also network beyond borders. LinkedIn isn't just for connecting with old colleagues. Network globally. Attend virtual conferences, join industry forums, and collaborate with international peers. Who knows? That European startup might need your expertise. So try to catch the early bird by spreading your wings beyond borders. Or you may master the art of proposals. Your proposal isn't just a cover letter, it's your golden ticket. Research the client, understand their pain points, and propose solutions. Be concise, confident, and crystal clear. Remember, clients receive tons of proposals, yours should stand out. So try to catch the early bird by nailing your pitch. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Catch the early bird isn't just about worms, it's about seizing opportunities, making smart moves, and soaring higher. So, whether you're a spreadsheet ninja, a startup wizard, a stock whisperer, or a wanderlusting freelancer, remember, the early bird gets the golden ticket to success. And hey, if you're still watching, you're definitely an early bird. High five! Until next time, keep those wings spread wide, and remember, fortune favors the swift. Catch that early bird. Okay, my friends, do you think the idea of is enlightening to you for making money wisely in the new year? If your answer is yes, please type 1 below. If not, feel free to share your thoughts with me. Your feedback and ideas serve as both my greatest encouragement and the fuel that propels us forward in our quest to explore the wealth of knowledge and wisdom found within our culture. Thanks for joining our adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow early birds. And as always, stay curious, stay wise, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Idioms are the essence of culture, and they bridge borders. Let's explore more wisdom that transcends time and traverses boundaries. See you next time.